My name is Eric Lewis, um, and I will be presenting my submission to the splash zone for Hack URI 2026. My submission is called the um, the file tool. It is a Python library that I've made. I've never worked with making libraries before, so it's been a very fun experience. Um, but yeah, so it's a fully functioning, or at least as functional as I can get it, Python library that handles conversions of files. As of right now, there are three categories for conversion in this tool: images, documents, and data. So I can convert between different types of data, different types of documents, and different types of images. Converting between these is a feature that I wish to add, but I simply couldn't do due to time constraints. But it's something I will add in the future because I plan to maintain this. Um, so I have this test environment here, but first let me show you what it looks like underneath. So this is the actual code for this tool that I made. So the main thing is this convert handler.py. This is where all the magic happens. So it imports our functions from our converters because I've split this up. So I have data conversion is all done here, document conversion is all done here, and image conversion is all done here. And that is, to keep everything separate. And so technically you could call on each one of these if you wanted to. When you pip install them, you could call on each of these individually and directly input data to the conversion type. But I highly recommend, if you are going to use this tool, that you simply import convert handler, as convert handler handles everything. So you don't even need to directly interact with the three converters. This should route you to the correct converter based on your request and give you your file. So, let's see. So I think we should take a look at what this does. So here's what the convert handler does. Essentially, it does routing. It will take your file name, it will strip it down, get the information it needs out of it, and then it'll just give you an info ping to tell you, hey, I'm routing your request. And then it will send the file to where it needs to go, either image conversions, document conversions, or data conversions based on these currently supported extensions. I plan to add more. Ideally, I will eventually have every single type I possibly can, but they're, I don't want to feature creep this right now. So let's move on to a test so I can show you how the tool actually works. So this is a different file, or rather a different environment. And as you can see, I'm not directly importing the file tool from, the file, but instead I have it through pip. So I actually did pip install the file tool. And if I didn't already have it installed, it would install it right there. I have tested this. So let's clear this out and let's run some tests. So we will do uv run test.py. I'll just have that ready, and I will uncomment these so we can test out different functions. So let's test SV. Okay, let me just get rid of that because I want to show that it does work and that it also does create the directory. So we go here, test.py. It should take a second. It's going to tell us that it's going to route a request. It did. It created our folder. And if we go, we have a test vector. So if we went here, this was originally an SVG. Now it's a PNG. So if I go back to here and I comment this out again, comment that out again, and we run this again. This time we're going to do PNG to JPEG. Okay, so now we originally had this PNG, which is hackathon test, and now it is a JPEG. So we've shown image conversion. Let's show the other two while I have time. So we'll do some data conversion to show that the data handler works. Let's run this test. This should convert our CSV into a JSON. So if we go here, we had a CSV, which was this, just had some test data on it. Now it is a JSON object. And finally, if we go back to test.py, comment that back out. Let's do some documents. Let's turn some HTML into Markdown. That's something you tend to have to do a lot anyways. So let's do that. Show it works. All right, and so if I go here, this was our HTML originally, and this is our Markdown. All right. Thank you. And yeah, thank you for watching my video and presentation on my project. And I hope to see you using the file tool.